Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of it's not working on your device. On Suno app, you click on settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above you will search about Suno app and we click. Here we go to first stop and we click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then we click on clear cache. So that we go to Play Store. You go to Play Store. You'll search about Suno app. Then you'll update your app here. So please don't forget.